Sound show. And there goes Jeff.
Bye,
Bye,
Jeff. That's one
Jeff.
of my many talents.
Everyone has a talent. At least that is what the daycare guidebook told me. All right. I don't personally think any of you are talented, but hey, we gotta do what we gotta do.
There we go. It's called the quiet scream.
My name is Big Bruce. I like some big fish with some steak and some cheese and some golden apples while doing some push-ups and also sit-ups because my name is Big Bruce. I cannot be stabbed.
I think he's about to explode.
My name is Big Bruce.
All right.
You know what? Life's good, man. Life is good, bro. Life is absolutely good. Oh, there we go.
Fire's gone. We're good.
Welcome to another day of Daycare! Wait, what's wrong with you, Are you good, buddy? You're not looking so healthy, man. Come on, follow the moose book. Let's go.
Whoa! Weighing me down, dude.
What are you, man?
Arms are weighing me down.
What happened to your arms, Slender Man?
I don't know. I just woke up like this.
Yo, Slender Clone, give me this hammer. Awesome. You did it, dear you. All right, buddy. So welcome back to another day of Daycare. It's been crazy, man. We've been so consistent with the Daycare videos. I've been having a ton of fun. What are you doing? Oh.
I'm no big boy. It's my superpower.
You legit look like an Enderman.
Oh,
yeah.
Thanks, dude. I'll take that as a compliment.
If Enderman wore a suit, that would be you. All right, so let's see what's going on in the Daycare today, man. Hello? Wait, where's everybody at? Jeff!
Hello?
Yo, dude, come here. Hurry up, get in here. Yo, the Daycare is what's wrong? What are you doing?
Moose, I have a problem. I have a very small problem.
Oh! You look like an alien, man. Oh, snap! Oh, chill.
No,
Hey,
please.
that's not Jeff. That's a stranger.
Please.
He's wearing a red suit. Jeff would never change his coat.
Oh, it's a red guy. Dude, who is that?
Why? I think it's Red Man. Wait, who's this?
Red
I am incredible!
No, you're really
No, I am!
Wait, why is there all
Big Boss, I love you.
So
You're so cuddly. I love you, bro.
No.
Give me a hug. Oh,
no.
what? Yo, is it Halloween
dude,
already, guys? What you guys doing, man? It's already Halloween. Look at Jeff. You look thick. Whoa! Wait, what? How is Big Boss so fast? Wow,
Dude,
that's
like a superhero or something.
pretty ironic,
bro.
I must say. Saving stuff. Start some juice. Oh,
there are zombies!
Zombies! Help! Someone take them out! Get the zombies! Okay. Tiffin! We have like superpowers, you know. Well, if you have superpowers, stop the zombies! Nope, bad zombie.
No, we'll just have the daylight take care of
Help.
them. All right, that works.
Help! Up! You're the worst superhero ever. You hit Brick Boss and the zombie and me. More than you hit the actual zombies. Oh my god. Okay, so yo, what are you guys doing, man? Why are you guys dressed up as like the Incredibles, dude? What is this, man? My bad. Jeff, your arms are really thick. I just want to tell you that. We have to train you two noobs. What do you mean we gotta train you two noobs? What? We're in a new super group. I thought we were the Fantastic Four. The Fantastic Four. The Jeff Credibles. I don't know about that. That seems kind of lame.
Why does that sound stupid?
Yeah, it sounds kind of lame. Shush! Okay, well, anyways, let's go inside here, man. You guys are embarrassing yourself, bro. Come on, man. Because you're a Cyclops. I'm the team, and I hate the name. Yeah, exactly. Come on, Jeff. No one likes the name, buddy.
What?
You guys need a new name. What's wrong?
It's okay. I just summoned a zombie. We good. I don't know what I did.
Why did you summon a zombie?
I don't know, dude. He kind of just sits there, I guess.
Awesome. Want to be kicked out? I'll find another moose to replace you. Maybe Jafina. Whoa. Oh, the zombie's having problems. The zombie's having an issue.
I made a mistake. There's another one.
Oh, he's trying to eat me. Help. He's trying to eat me.
Yes,
Help. Oh my gosh. Yo, chill, bro. Chill out. Chill out with the crazy zombies, man. Wow, that sword is really derpy, Jeff. That sword is really derpy, man.
He is a bum.
Okay, anyway, so let me get this straight. You guys are making your own incredible team. Okay, so then what's your superpower, Jeff? What's your crazy superpower of yours? Yes, ma'am. I'm strong. Okay, Brick Boss, what about you? How about you, buddy? What's your superpower? You're so big. You're the best, Brick Boss. I like you, man. Are you giving him food? Why are you giving him so much food? Poor guy. A fist. Oh, awesome. What about you, Musina? What's your superpower? I can do Texas. That's okay. All right. So anyways, all right. Wonderful. Wait, where'd Cyclone go?
I'm nowhere, dude. I'm just playing Minecraft. What are you up to, dude?
So Jeff, let me see your crazy, super powerful strength. All right, let me see what you got, man. Give me 20. What? How is he so fast? So apparently, Brick Boss is super fast. Ow! What? How? How'd you do that? No way. What the heck? Strength! Hey! Ow! Stop! You're evil! No! So what about you, Musina? What can you do? I know you can do taxes and all. Is there anything else you can do, though? Do you have, like, some kind of cool powers? Oh, these are potatoes. I don't like these.
Potato, dude.
What do you mean? So do you have like, any, like, secondary superpowers? That's a lot. I know it's a lot. This math is confusing, bro. I never did good in math in school. It was bad. Yeah, it was pretty bad. All right, Cyclone, stop summoning things. I'll make you do taxes. I'm sorry. No! Ah, the taxes burn. Okay, I don't mean to interrupt this flirt session, but it's time to train. Okay, Jeff, let's get training, buddy. Show me how to train, man. Why is there... Oh, hey, guys. Cyclone here, breaking things as usual. This guy.
What do you mean, dude? What do you mean? I'm just
Can you
amazing,
not
dude.
just gotta give me 40 each of you? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 15, 20, 25, 26, 29, 30. Ow, Jeff, stop.
Moose, there's a sign here that says powwows. I don't know what it does. It's like a button.
Oh, what's that?
Oh, did you click it?
What's this? Regeneration, strength, and...
What?
Wait.
Does
that mean I can, like...
now? Ow! Ow! You two hit me! What?
Oh, stop!
What?
Yeah, I'm ripped!
Dude, what?
That looks bad. Push
I
it.
don't have
I can
powers
push it.
anymore.
Get your powers, man. Oh, get your powers here. Get your
The only one
powers,
without
mate.
powers?
Wait, so I can just
Is
click
this
this
it?
button and it gives me powers?
Oh, I have powers again.
That's pretty dope. Ah! I'm on fire! Awesome. Okay, so that's pretty cool, man. So anyways, Jeff, what are we doing, buddy? Yum. Nice. Okay, buddy, so let me get this straight. You got these crazy zombies. Pfft, if only you could do taxes like me. Musina, I feel like, wait, are you bigger? You look a little bit taller. I don't know. Are you like able to, like, in the Incredibles, you can do like the stretching and stuff. Can you become super tall or something? Taxes are boring. Yeah. Okay, so anyways, but they're super important. You gotta do it, man. All right. So I can stretch your tax amount.
Wow.
That's
That doesn't seem that useful.
I'm just gonna put this here. Okay. And you can talk to the moose bug. All right, talk to the moose bug. Okay. Stop talking about tax, Musina. I know I'm dangerous. Okay. All right. So Jeff the Moose, what are we doing, man? Let me get this straight. Come on. Well, you training us? What are you training us for? We just get the powers, and now we're good to go. I can eat the wall. I can eat the ground. I can swallow the moose bug. Nice. Is that it, man? Is that all I can do, bro? Time to fight. You ready? Wear this costume. What costume are you talking about? I don't. What costume? What is this? Are you giving me a costume? Wait. No, I'm not gonna wear that. No, I'm not. I said, all right, fine. I'll give me just a second. Let me put on the costume. Hold on, wait a minute. Give me a second. All right. So how did I look? Check it out. Jeff, do I look good? Huh? Do I look good at all? Oh my God! Oh, what is this? Oh my eyes! Ah! What? Oh wow. This was not on purpose. I have superpowers, right? I have superpowers. Let's go. Come on. You turned into an hideous monster. Brick Boss designed it. Brick Boss, why would you design this thing, man? Oh my God, this looks terrible. I mean, it looks amazing because I look like Musina, and Musina's good looking. Hi! Oh, what's that? Hot! Okay. Ha! Alright, where's Jeff? Wait, Jeff. Where's Cyclone at? Cyclone!
Oh, dude, I'm just getting my revenge because you know how you took my powers and it's kind of unfair and it hurt my feelings? Just don't worry about it.
Hi! How does it feel to lose at everything, Cyclone?
I don't know anymore.
That's exactly right, Doc. Okay, so anyways, okay, y'all ready to go? Yes, I'm ready to go, man. Are we fighting these zombies, man? These zombies are lame, bro. Ow, 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 baby zombies, they're my weakness. Oh, snap, oh, snap. This is not working. But, let's go, everybody. We gotta kill all these. Yeah, pretty lame, man. Yo, just hit them with attacks or something.
I will get my revenge, Moose. You think you can take my powers and get away with it, dude?
What are you talking about, Cyclops? I can still do it right now.
No, you can't. Go away.
Cyclops, I see you summoning zombies to kill us,
No,
man.
you
We're not
don't.
blind. This is 2018, all right?
Hey, shush, dude, shush. You suck.
Tax powers are too much. Ah! I'm so confused. Okay, where'd you go, Cyclops? Come here. So we gotta stop the evil Cyclops, right? He thinks he's all cool now, summoning zombies. Let me just do one of these. There we go.
What are you gonna do, Moose? What are you doing, Moose?
Nothing. What are you talking about?
Moose, what are you doing? Moose, Moose, no!
Ha ha! My powers are gone. It's okay, Brick Boss. You should be good, man. Here, I got you, buddy. I got you, man. Bang, stay back. Get away. Man. There we're good. We got our powers back. Brick Boss, you're too thick for powers. No, Brick Boss is amazing, dude. All right, let Brick Boss be what he wants to be. How about this? Yo, what if we fight the Wither, dude? You guys think we're powerful enough for the Wither? Let's try that out. Jeff, get it started for us, man. Yeah. This might be a bad idea. Come on, Jeff, get the Wither for us, man. We're going to fight him all together. We're going to stop. Oh, snap. This was... Yo, it's working. Look, guys, come on. Everyone get him. You know, Tex doesn't beat that much. Oh, come on, man. We're going to be fine. Don't worry about Musina. Oh, he does not like us. He does not like us at all. Let me just do one of these. Ow, ow, ow. Eh. Hey, come here. Come here. Get him, guys. Get him. Yeah, what? What's up? What's up, Wither? That's what I thought. Bop. Oh, no. This is either really good or really bad. Because Psycho is spawning things that are causing lag.
I spotted a few zombies. It's not that big of a deal.
I got him.
It's not that big of a deal, Moose. Don't worry about it, dude.
Got him.
Why?
You're a loser, dude. Where's my best friend? You okay, man? You just want powers, don't you? Is that what it is?
I just wanted powers, dude. I wanted powers all along, and you guys didn't give me any powers.
It's okay, man. Listen, everybody has those days, dude. All right,
Let's like days?
like Tana Moose Tana said, everybody has those days. All right, you got that?
Okay, okay, whatever
hey,
you say,
stop
dude.
trying to sabotage by spawning things they don't like. Moose who? Moose Montana, you know? Oh God. Oh no. Oh no. I just want to say I lost my powers.
Take them all out. What,
I have out trophy. What does that mean? What? Huh? This is bad. This is really, really bad. So we need a plan. Kind of idea. Yes. No. My powers are out. No. Come on, Cyclopia. Yo, Jeff, get us powers. Hurry. We're dying to these foul beasts. We can't stop him, man. Oh, no. Oh, snap. Oh, bang, 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 zombie. Bang, bang. Hey, stop it. Jeff, the powers don't work anymore. What do we do? Got it. You fixed it, man? Oh, thank God. Let's go. But, stay back. No, leave the daycare alone. Come on, get him. Sick up. Yeah, got him. No, bad mines. Bad mines. No. Stab it. I got it, buddy. I'm working on it, man. I'm stopping these enemies from taking over the place. Let's go. Yeah.
You know what, Moose? I finally have my own powers, dude.
What's your powers, man?
Are you ready?
Uh-huh.
I can mine wall blocks faster than anybody. Ah! Okay, never mind.
Haha! Get wrecked, lameness. Exactly, man.
Oh,
you ain't got no
okay.
powers. Your powers ain't real.
Powers then, dude. Don't worry about it. I didn't want to just be cool. I just didn't want to fit in. I mean,
why am I still a girl?
Dude, why not, bro?
Dude, are you really thinking that these animals are gonna do anything anymore? Bro, look at
hey,
it. Check it out.
Okay, fine. I get it. How about blazes? How about we step it up, dude?
Bro, blazes are so easy, man. They can't even stop us, dog.
Fine. We'll try some zombies. Okay, I get it. We'll try some wither bosses.
Zombies are... Hey, guys, costumes here. Dude, this is fine, man. This is so easy. And the whole place is taking... Okay.
Oh, no, is it still too easy, Moose? Is that it? Okay, Ender Dragon. Have fun.
You know what's funny? I still have my most powerful ability. The power of MooseBug.
What does that mean? Moose, if you use
It means I can
to
do one of
ruin
these
my
for the
fun.
MooseBug gods.
What?
Wow. Yeah. Moose, too OP. I know, bro. It's the Moose Ball gods, man. They can let me do anything. I can type in any command I want. I can cheat whenever I want. I can do anything, man. It's awesome. Well,
No,
let me
Moose,
just say.
there's one power I always have.
Lucina, you okay? Lucina? Are you? She's reading her taxes on the ground. Taxes!
Moose,
No,
there's
Lucina!
one power, dude.
No!
You'll never
Lucina,
take
you
it.
live on! No, Lucina! Take! Up, and we're floating. Once more, say thank you so much for watching this video. Hope you all did enjoy. Don't forget to subscribe. Smash the bell as I float away to space. I'm not sure what this is. It's The Incredibles. I'll see you tomorrow. Leave a like if you're excited for The Incredibles. Bye.